Yeah, it's gonna be a shark. He's definitely on. Yeah, that's a drag. That's a shark. He's definitely on. It's either a shark or a cat, but I'm going with that's a cat, that's a shark. Serious. There's no way that's gonna be a catfish. I'll be surprised, man. I'm just gonna make sure he's on. And I'll wait for that one tug, and then we'll try the hook set. I think he's still on. Hold on. I kind of feel a little bit. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a big one. Yep. I think that's gonna be a catfish. It's not. Oh my, I lost him. Nope, he's on. Oh yeah. My GoPro's in the way of me. That's why I hate having it on my chest like that. It's gonna be that's why I think it's a catfish. It's gonna be a golf cat, or it's just coming in fast. It is heavy though, whatever it is. Oh, I got some resistance. Yeah, it's gonna be a cat. It's definitely a golf cat. Dang, it sucks. It's just a golf cat. A golf cat that actually ate that big old piece of mullet. It's covered in, I think. God, it's that light. I think he got off. Nope, he's still on. Yeah, it looks like it's a cat. I can't tell what it is. Yeah, that's where it is. I think it is a catfish. It kind of looks like it's a shark. It is, it's a spinner. Yeah, that's what it is, a spinner. Dang. It's a spinner. No. Oh, I gotta get my hook back quick. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get this hook back at all. Nope. And get it back. I think I kind of need to get this hook out. I got freaking bolt cutters with me. Nope, ain't got enough time. Your wire leaders are terrible, man. I couldn't get the hook out. Your pliers are trash.
Well, they're not made to cut metal. Just so you know.
That's why I needed mine.